India's most affordable 150 plus bhp car. This is the right way to introduce the 2020 Nissan Kicks BS6. Now the news had come out a few weeks back. We all knew the 1.5 diesel will not be able to meet the BS6 compliance norms, and hence that engine will not be coming in the BS6 Kicks. We knew the 1.5 naturally aspirated petrol would be carried forward, and we also knew the 1.3 turbo petrol will make an entry into the Kicks. Now this one puts out 156 PS of power and 254 Nm of torque. In contrast, the main rivals, the Creta and Seltos, they offer a larger 1.4 turbo petrol motor, but the power is slightly less at 140 PS. Not only are the power and torque figures of the Kicks BS6 very impressive, Nissan has done it right with the pricing this time. Now the earlier version, the earlier petrol had a starting price of approximately 9.6 lakh rupees. That has come down to 9.4 lakh rupees for the BS6 version. But what is even more impressive is the pricing of the turbo petrol. The 156 PS version comes to you in the loaded XV trim, not in the XE or the XL, and the prices for this start at only 11.8 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. In contrast, the turbo petrols of the Seltos and Creta, they are far more expensive. Now the new Kicks BS6 will also come with an automatic transmission. This automatic is the Xtronic CVT, which used to be sold with the earlier 1.5 petrol. Now the 1.5 petrol is more for the value conscious buyer, under 10 lakh rupees only with the manual. So the Xtronic CVT has gone to the turbo petrol and again has a fantastic starting price of only 13.44 lakh rupees. Again, it is lower than the rivals, but I must say the Creta and the Seltos, they have a more advanced 7-speed DCT, a dual clutch transmission, which will offer you better performance, more peppiness, but for city usage, the CVT might be a surprise package from Nissan. The new Kicks looks similar to the older version, so that is not changed. It still has a very masculine design, it has a high ground clearance, terrific dynamics, and that very important solid feel. The BS6 version comes to you with a standard warranty of 2 years or 50,000 kilometers, and of course you can extend it to up to 5 years or 1 lakh kilometers. What is again very impressive is the prepaid maintenance package. You can buy the maintenance package starting at only 6 rupees per day or 2,100 on a yearly basis. That is damn cheap. Guys, what do you think about the new BS6 Kicks from Nissan? Let us know in the comment section below. And of course, we do need your support, so you know what to do. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification.